Welcome to Swadeshi Startup Speaks, where we explore the latest trends shaping India's startup ecosystem. In this episode, we dive into India's $1.65 billion startup funding. In February, the rise of AI investments, key acquisitions, and emerging sectors like fertility care and women-led businesses. We also cover PM Modi's France visit and PwC India's new startup accelerator. Stay tuned for insights on India's evolving funding landscape. Indian startups raised $1.65 billion in February 2025, a 19.5% increase from January, but down from $2.06 billion in February 2024. Bengaluru led with $353 million, while Mumbai had a higher median round size of $5 million. Oxiso topped funding with $1 billion debt, followed by Udan, $75 million Series G. Other major fundraisers included Spot Draft cash-free payments, Zeta, and Genie Mode. Key acquisitions: Head Digital Works bought Delta Tech Gaming, RS 491 CR. Perfios acquired Clari 5 MO Alts, took a majority stake in Megafin Pharma, RS 460 CR. 16 IPOs were listed, including Hexaware and Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital. Top investors: Ritesh Agarwal, Anupam Mittal, Aman Gupta, Peyush Bansal, and VC firms like Axel Nexus, Bloomer Ventures. FY25 funding, APR Feb, reached $25.4 billion. 2024 funding hit $30.4 billion, down 6.5% from 2023. VCs in India are increasingly investing in application layer AI startups focusing on enterprise IT PaaS and agentic AI rather than foundational models. AI startups raised $165 million in 2024, a 52% jump from 2023. In 2025, YTD funding stands at $12.5 million. Investors see strong potential in finance, IT, healthcare, retail, FMCG, logistics, and research industries. Vertical AI applications solving specific industry problems are gaining traction over broad horizontal AI platforms. Key areas of growth: AI-driven automation in enterprise workflows, fintech, healthcare, and IT service management. VCs prioritize strategic guidance, talent access, and policy advocacy to scale startups. Challenges include talent acquisition, regulatory compliance, and infrastructure gaps. Success depends on strong GTM strategies, clear value propositions, and enterprise adoption to unlock AI's full potential in India. India's Together Fund is targeting a $150 million fund for AI startups by 2025. The fund has already made 31 investments across its two funds since inception. The initiative aims to accelerate AI-driven innovation and growth in India's startup ecosystem. Together, Fund focuses on early-stage AI startups, providing capital and strategic support to scale businesses. This aligns with the increasing VC interest in application layer AI solutions across sectors like enterprise, IT, fintech, healthcare, and logistics. The fund's commitment reflects the growing demand for AI-driven automation, domain-specific AI applications, and enterprise AI adoption. While challenges like talent acquisition and regulatory compliance persist, VC backing and strategic funding are expected to drive AI startups' growth in India. Ava Health, a fertility care startup, has raised $1 million in pre-seed funding led by All In Capital, with participation from iSeed Bharat founders Fund and Galaxy. The company aims to revolutionize fertility care in India, addressing challenges like fragmentation, high costs, and accessibility issues. With fertility treatments often being expensive and complex, Ava Health seeks to provide affordable, streamlined, and tech-driven solutions to improve patient experiences. The funding will be used for technology development, expanding operations, and enhancing fertility care services across India. This investment reflects growing VC interest in health tech startups, particularly in solving critical gaps in specialized healthcare services. India is witnessing a financial revolution driven by women entrepreneurs, as highlighted in the Niti Aayog TransUnion CIBIL report. 27M women monitored their credit scores. In 2024, a 42% YoY increase, signaling rising financial awareness. Women now constitute 35% of business borrowers, with non-metro regions seeing 48% growth in credit monitoring. States like Rajasthan, UP, and MP lead in active women borrowers, with sectors like retail, e-commerce, and services seeing a surge in women-led enterprises. Challenges remain, including credit aversion, collateral demands, and limited women-centric financial products. Initiatives like Women Entrepreneurship Platform and Financing Women Collaborative aim to bridge gaps. Gender-smart financial products, collateral-free loans, and inclusive policies can further drive women's role in India's $5T economy, fostering job creation and innovation. The India Conference at Harvard 2025 hosted its inaugural startup pitch competition on February 16th, showcasing Indian entrepreneurship. 160 plus global applicants competed with 7 finalists, pitching innovative solutions to a panel of investors. Logicflow AI won first place, $12K, for AI agents in life sciences, while PTAL secured second place, $5K, for reviving handcrafted Indian metalwork. Other finalists included On Finance AI, AI compliance agents, Morpho AI, automating machine design, XPub, local AI models for sales, Spike AI, marketing automation, and Unpause, tech for menopause support. The competition featured 2 rounds with finalists mentored by Accel's Anand Daniel. Judges included Abhinav Shashank, Innovaxer, and Akriti Dokania, Ridge Ventures. Organizers praised the high-caliber innovation, reinforcing India's growing global startup influence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to France led to key agreements in AI startups, nuclear energy sustainability, and diplomacy. India and France signed an AI declaration for ethical AI development and launched the India-France Year of Innovation 2026. A letter of intent was signed to establish an Indo-French Center for Digital Sciences, and 10 Indian startups will be hosted at Station F in Paris. In nuclear energy, both nations agreed to collaborate on modular reactors, renewed an MOU on nuclear energy cooperation, and signed a pact between India's GCNEP and France's INSTN for research. They also issued a joint declaration for Indo-Pacific development cooperation. Modi inaugurated India's new consulate in Marseille, and both countries signed an environmental partnership for climate action and sustainability. The visit strengthened the Indo-French alliance across innovation, energy, and diplomacy. PwC India has launched the Emerging Tech Startup Challenge, its first startup accelerator program to support Indian startups in AI, blockchain, Web 3.0 data analytics space, tech industry 4.0, and more. The program offers mentorship, consulting, and strategic guidance to help startups scale their solutions. It is open to both B2B and B2C startups across industries like retail, manufacturing, finance, healthcare, and telecom. Over 3 months, 15 selected startups will receive mentorship from experts and 25 hours of pro bono consulting on management tech funding and taxation. The hybrid model ensures accessibility for startups nationwide. PwC India aims to foster innovation, drive economic growth, and create future-ready jobs. The program seeks to help startups tackle industry challenges and strengthen India's tech ecosystem. Indian startup funding is facing a slowdown, with February 2025 VC investments dropping 25% YoY to $669 million due to a lack of large deals. Early stage funding also declined to $3 billion from $4 billion in 2024. Despite this, February 2025 saw a 19.5% rise in total funding to $1.65 billion from January, though still lower than February 2024's $2.06 billion. Private equity firms expect growth as fewer IPOs push businesses towards private funding, especially in financial services, IT, and healthcare. While early stage funding remains weak, late stage deals continue to attract capital. Startups must adapt to cautious investor strategies as the funding landscape evolves. That's a wrap for today's episode. India's startup ecosystem is evolving with AI, fintech, and deep tech leading the charge. Whether it's shifting funding trends, new accelerator programs, or global partnerships, adaptation is key. Thanks for tuning in to Swadesi Startup Speaks. Don't forget to follow us for more insights, and we'll see you in the next episode.